I don't usually do unboxing videos, but this week the stars aligned and I am able to showcase not one, not three, but 5 watches I'll review in the next coming weeks. Each of these 5 timepieces is more than just another step on this channel's journey to get you the watch you want. Getting to review each one is a small triumph for me, as they are watches I coveted for quite some time, and I am extremely grateful to their producers for giving me the chance to experience and to feature them on the channel. But enough with introduction. The first of the 5 watches I'll be showcasing today is the first to be reviewed, the long-awaited Monart MW1. This is not the first Monart on the channel. As a matter of fact, my review of the Tonneau MW3 and 5 is complete, so make sure to tune in tomorrow for the premiere. The MW1 is Robert Morrison's take on the diver watch, and the French charm is completed this time by a complex modular concept in a showcase of its creator's background as an architect. This one's bound to be as divisive as it is unique, and despite not being a tool watch by any means, it has its own merits as a diver. The Kickstarter campaign will start on Valentine's Day, and I will publish my review on the 13th with all the information needed on the 3 variants: the GMT I'm holding, the chronograph, and the classic 3-hander. The second watch on the menu is one that I featured in the top 10 affordable microbrand watches of 2023, the Vesuviate Attivo Duplex. Benefiting from the same thermal steel hardening similar to Zine's tegumented technology, this configuration might just be the best use of this specific rectangular case the Singapore microbrand has become known for. Superior to GMT watches due to the ability of tracking separate time zones with 15, 30 or 45-minute offsets, the dual timers one can usually find on the market are quartz powered, so to have 2 automatic movements sharing the case is unusual and commendable for a microbrand. Add in the on-the-fly micro-adjustable clasp and the lovely new packaging, and this might just be the best Vesuviate offering to date. From one of the best releases of 2023 to one that I featured in my top 12 watches to watch in 2024, the DR6 is Direnzo's latest model, and I'll review it on the 17th of February. Subscribing to the channel and turning on notifications might be just the best way to make sure you won't miss that or any other reviews coming up on the channel. Coming back to the DR6, it's got a befitting name, the Wandering Star. That, of course, is a reference to the small seconds complication Direnzo tastefully integrated in a package reminiscent of last year's Aerolite. This is the first Direnzo using a manually wound caliber and the first watch produced by the Switch-called hero that I get to experience, and let me tell you, it definitely lives up to the loftiest of expectations. From an already established microbrand to a brand new one, I'm happy to be able to announce my upcoming review of the debut offering from a Swiss microbrand, Monart. The Squid might be brand new, but its journey to the surface has been quite long, and I will cover it during the review and on the interview I'll publish on my website watchyourone.net prior to publishing the review. That interview will give Domen Velocic, Monart's owner, the chance to tell us more about his journey and about this ISO-rated 300 meters diver packed with all the features. Before moving on to dessert, I want to encourage you to express your thoughts and feelings about these 5 watches by commenting down below. I am extremely proud of this community I managed to gather around our shared passion, and I welcome your thoughts and cherish the meaningful conversations sparked by your feedback. Beyond numbers, a YouTube channel is as good as its audience, and that makes What You Want the best watch reviews channel in the world. Thank you for your contribution. Finally, one of the most anticipated microbrand releases, a watch 6 years into making, this is the Arcturus Vanda Tourbillon. The first high-end complication to be featured on the channel, this is the follow-up to the Lion City 1, the watch that smashed Kickstarter records at the time, being fully funded in less than an hour. Hundreds of parts, 3 prototypes and 6 years of continued praise later, Arcturus finally come back with a new tribute to Singapore. Playing into their aura of unicity and cosmic relevance, Arcturus will launch the LC2 on 29th of February, and on my review premiering one day earlier, I will give you all the relevant information and, as always, my thorough, unbiased analysis of this timepiece's strong and weak points. These are shaping up to be some of the most interesting few weeks in this channel's history, and I can't wait to see what's next. 1 year ago, when I premiered this video, I had no idea I'll end up reviewing such great watches, and I hope I'll continue repaying this community for your fantastic support. Stay tuned, and I promise I'll find the watch you want.